Yeah, so good morning everyone. I am Alankrit Ajit, and today I am here to talk about the concept of opportunity cost. So, what is opportunity cost? So, the opportunity cost is a microeconomic concept which says it is the cost of the next best alternative which was not chosen or foregone or sacrificed. So, in this concept, we focus more on what we did not choose and what we could have benefited or lost from by not choosing that particular option. So, why does the concept of opportunity cost arise? So, as we all know that the resources are scarce, so this leads to trade-off. So, what is trade-off? Trade-off is the if we have to let when we want something, we have to let go of the other things. So, since we let go of the other things, that's where the concept of opportunity cost comes. Then we have an example. So we as a student, we study late night for the exams, and next day during the exams we feel sleepy. So for us, the opportunity cost is a good night's sleep, and we should really get one before the exam. And there are many examples for this opportunity cost. And opportunity cost is faced by everyone in their lives, including the consumers, where they can have the choice to make between two products. So when they choose one product, they let go of the other product. So the next best alternative which was not chosen is their opportunity cost. And the workers also face opportunity cost because they can work for various different companies, and by choosing to work in a certain company, they let go of the other, which gives them the opportunity cost. Then the producers also have to make a decision what to produce and what not to produce. And the government also has to face opportunity cost, as it has to decide where to spend its expenditure, where it can spend its expenditure on defense or on the healthcare and education. So the significance of opportunity cost is it helps to determine the relative prices of goods. It assists to determine the remuneration to a factor. It supports for decision making and efficient resources allocation. So thank you. This is from my side. Thank you for your patient listening, and thank you, Bobby sir, for giving me this opportunity. Thank you.